everyone, my name is Gweth and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I just wanted to share with you guys how I do my small twists, because they're not mini and they're not medium and they're not big. I washed my hair, so I do this on freshly washed hair. You guys know I like to work in sections, so I separate those sections using my alligator clips, crocodile clips. So today I'm using this combo, the shea butter, there's the diluted rose water and leave-in treatment. I've been doing quite a bit of research on Ayurvedic hair care, and I read that rose water really helps to combat dandruff, which is what I struggle with. It also helps reduce hair loss, prevent dryness, and it moisturizes the scalp and the hair. So I'll be pouring a little bit of this in my water in my spray bottle. I'll show you. So this is just some clean fresh water, and I'll add a bit of the rose water inside. And I'm doing this just because I kind of want to dilute the rose water. I don't want to use it potent as it is. Maybe I'll try that someday, but since it's the first time I'm using this, I just want to dilute a little bit. So as you saw, I just poured a bit in here, and this is what I'll be using as the liquid part of my LCO method. You know how sometimes you style your hair and then it ends up kind of flaky, like you do like this and then it's removing white stuff, or you're doing a twist out and then it has chunks of stuff? That's because the combo of products you're using didn't go together, like they don't complement each other, and they create chunks of stuff and separation with the products instead of blending into each other. I'm going to show you guys how you can test if your products match each other, just so that you don't struggle with this, okay? So my hand is clean and I'll just spray a little bit. The leave-in, I'd like to use just a little bit, just like that. And then I do that. I massage the two together, and you can see how there's no pieces separating from each other. A bit of the shea butter, just a small amount, I put on top of this like that, and then still do the same thing, massaging just so that I can see on my hand. All right, let me focus. Yes, just so that you can make sure that as you do the circular motions, all the products are blending with each other. So as you can see, I've zoomed in and focused. You can see that there's no separation of the products. If you've seen my previous natural hair wash days, you guys know I like to wash my hair in twists. The whole process just helps to keep my hair detangled. And afterwards I use a microfiber towel to absorb some of the water. So I picked this comb just so that I could use the end part of it to part my sections. Parting natural hair requires lots of patience and it takes time, so I make sure mine are roughly neat, not perfect but neat. Looking shiny and it's moisturized properly. And if I decide to take out these twists for like a twist out after, about a week or two, I know I won't be struggling with flakes and stuff. Just undo the hair carefully, and then I try and map out in my head how I want my twists to look like. I've already done 3 at the bottom, so next I want to do either 4 or 5 in the next spot. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm thinking I'll do 5 just because I really want to plait the middle area and cover it. I like to layer my products using the LCO method. Right now my hair is super dry. Oh wow, it smells so good. This is the leave-in. Seal all of that moisture. So I'm just picking sections and plaiting my twists gently, not too tight. You guys can see how moisturized my hair looks. The key is to make sure the hair feels smooth and that your fingers can glide along the hair strands as you apply the product, as you can see in this clip. I mean, look at that. That stretch! And I just noticed in the mirror, like there's sections of my hair where the hair is longer, so I was really happy. And as you can see from the back, I really made sure to plait those middle sections of my hair where I'd been parting the hair a lot. So when it comes to the front of my hair, I pick that comb again just to really make sure my parts are, you know, neat enough, since I'm going to be wearing this style whenever I go outside. And I just continue to twist my hair. This is how the back is looking like. For the corners of my hair, I twisted them a bit more loosely than the rest of my hair, just because I experience a lot of breakage in those corners. This process in total took me, I think, an hour and a half or almost 2 hours, but I didn't mind since I was inside and I had planned to do this. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and also learned some tips and tricks for your twists. My hair is looking so cute, it's so bouncy. Feel free to comment any questions you have or video suggestions. I hope you found this informative and helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!